the type of person who is so irresponsible or so short-sighted to not pay their support is probably not going to go through those steps.
Yes.
If they don't go through those steps, your problem is solved effectively.
Yes.
And then meanwhile, you can try to enforce the finances on the back end. So I would use their own inability to follow through as against them. And I think you'd have pretty good results. But, at the end of the day, if there's a court order that says that the child has to see this person, even though he hasn't paid, you got to follow it.
So just as a quick side note for women or for men, mostly it's mothers, single mothers who question how long back in time can I go to request child support for my kid that is already a teenager. Is there a time limit, and does it differentiate between the state of Florida and the state of Illinois?
If you have a motion for child support or something on file that asks for it, your right to child support is preserved from that date.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you're married and you file for divorce, you can't go back in time because maybe the husband abandoned the family, and the court will say, well, you should have filed for divorce a lot earlier than that. So they won't allow that. And then the rule of thumb is if you file but you still live together, there's no child support if you're still living in the house and paying the bills. And then for parents that weren't married in Illinois, the court may go back in time to say, well, I know we served him in 2025, and I'm going to go back in time to 2018